Stop buying all those cough medicine that you've been buying and it's not working for you. Do this natural remedy that I'm about to do, this cough syrup, this natural cough syrup I'm about to do right now. So this is what you need to do the cough syrup. You will need some grated onion. Grate your onion very well into tiny pieces. You fill it in a jar like this. You fill it in a jar like this. Don't ask me where I got this jar, please. This jar, it is a mayonnaise jar, okay? Okay. I finish eating mayonnaise. Even the bigger jar I used to do my tabachi, that's mayonnaise jar. So you're going to add some grated onion into the bottle like this. When you're done, you will add 1 spoon of your ginger. This is going to help with what is boost your immunity, take care of cough, persistent cough that you've been having. It also takes care of flu, that's catarrh, for your children. This is for the whole family. Nobody is exempted, okay? So when you're done adding it, you are going to go in with your lemon juice, okay? You will squeeze your lemon juice in it like this. Please, I hope you have all the ingredients, okay? Because some of you will still come to my DM to ask me which ingredients you use to do that cough, that natural cough syrup. This is honey. We are going in with 3 tablespoons of honey. Natural honey, please. This should be natural honey because this is natural honey. And I'm selling honey. So if you need honey, just send a DM. 1 liter is 3,500 for honey. This is it. You are going to mix it very well. You are going to mix it very well. Like this. You know, generally, you are going to mix it like this. You keep it, okay? I'm just showing you. You are going to take 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon in the morning, 1 tablespoon in the evening. But you are going to keep it like this in the counter for at least 24 or 48 hours. For the water in the onion to infiltrate with that of your ginger. Then you will take 1 tablespoon in the morning, 1 tablespoon in the evening. So with this, I am good to go. No cough syrup, no catarrh syrup, no whatsoever. This is going to boost your immune system, treat your cough, your catarrh, and whatever thing you're having. So let me list the ingredient again. I have onion, I have ginger, I have lemon juice, and I have what? Natural honey. Those are the things I added into this. This is a natural cough syrup. Anybody can take it. As an adult, 1 spoon in the morning, 1 spoon in the evening. As a child, 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon in the evening. Bye-bye.